Look at these guys. I have just received my new package just a while ago, and this is my new DJI Phantom 3 bag. I ordered it a couple of days ago online, so let's check them out and see what's inside. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the table. Hang on. Oh, okay. Okay, there it is. So it's kind of big. So let's see how this goes. Actually, I have my Phantom 3 bag already, but I thought it's a little bit big and bulky, whereas this one is, I think, a little slimmer and smaller than than the bag that I have now. So that's my Phantom 3 SE bag. It's a little bit big, so I thought of buying a new one. So let's take a look at this. That's my e-bike over there. It's also newly bought because the other day my e-bike was stolen in front of the shopping mall. So here it is. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Oh yeah, it's smaller. It's smaller than I have expected. And take a look at that. Let's try to compare the two bags. So this is the old one, and this is the new one, the new DJI bag. See, from that you can compare that this one is smaller than this one. I like the style too. It looks stylish than the other one. It's more stylish and better, I guess. And I like the covering because it's tough. This one is kind of soft, and when you carry and take this out, I feel like it's not really safe. My Phantom 3 is not that safe, but this one, even if it fall down, I think it's really durable and tough. Let's try to open this up. I'm gonna see if my Phantom 3 SE fits in it. Okay, so I like the style of this bag. It's much better. It's really like a backpack, and the combination of the red color, the gray and black, really attracts me. That's why I bought this, this style. Plus, it has a logo of DJI, so I thought it's really cool. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, so this is it. As you can see, where it has a strap inside. So these are the compartments for the batteries. It has 3 reserves for batteries, and this is the compartment for the place where you have to put your drone itself, plus the compartment where you put the RC or remote control. Oh, this is really cool, way cooler than the old one that I have. Okay, so let's see my old one. We can compare this together. So this is my old one, my old bag. And one thing I hate about this old bag that I have is the foam doesn't go with the covering, so it's like it's separated or something. Because in here there's like a secret pocket that you can fill in something there, like your propellers and so on and so forth. So this is my drone. So let's try if this fits well with my new DJI bag. Okay, let's see this how it goes. Let me see. Oops. Hang on a second, it's stuck up. Or maybe it's opposite? No way. Yeah. Oh, okay, there it is. Yeah, it fits well. It's good. Nice and good. It fits well. Very nice. So you really have to place it well. Yeah, one thing I like about this new bag is it's really compact than the other one. This is bulkier, and it also helps the drone not to be shaken when you are walking. But this one, it's a little bit loose. I would say it's loose because when I put my drone in there, sometimes the camera shakes. But this one, I think it's safely placed there. Let's check out the RC, how it goes in there. Oops, hang on. Is it this way? Okay. Whoa. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it also fits very, very well. Cool. I got 2 batteries. I'm planning to buy another one, so I'm gonna have 3 batteries reserve. Oh, it's stuck inside. Okay. Oh, okay. There you go. Oops, hang on a second. Wow, I really like the new bag. It's way better. Oh. Wow, very nice. And my charger, I think I can just put my charger somewhere inside here. And the other accessories. Yeah, this old bag has pockets. This one doesn't have any pockets in it. I mean, that's the only good thing about this old bag. It has secret pocket inside where you can put your propellers in, and outside it has also another pocket where you can put your extra accessories such as the signal extender or something, and so on and so forth. Yeah, like lenses. But this one, the new one, doesn't have any, but I like the style. It's more compact and it's more solid, I think. The body itself is much solid than the old one. So that's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep you posted about my next review. Okay, so I'll be going to the Philippines to have my winter holiday, and I'm gonna take some nice drone footages. I'm gonna show you around then. Okay, so my new DJI bag, thanks to DJI. Well, that's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching.